बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट्स में लिखा है कि वो पुश पुल लेग्स वर्कआउट रूटीन देखना चाहते हैं एज इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव फॉर वेट लॉस. So welcome to Exerciser and this is Sargam Gera and we are starting a series on push, pull and legs workout. और आज के वीडियो में हम करेंगे push movements which include chest, shoulder and triceps. So let's start. We are starting a push workout with chest and first exercise is incline dumbbell press, for which you need to set the bench at an angle of around 40 degree. Maintain an arch in your back and your feet should be properly placed on the floor. Squeeze and contract your muscles when you're lifting the dumbbells up and keep them closer to your chest when you are getting them down. You need to do 3 to 4 sets of 12 repetitions each. Just make sure that you do little warm up before you start your exercise. Let's move to our second exercise, which is flat dumbbell press. All the techniques will be same as that of previous one. The only difference is we are using a flat bench here. Just make sure that you are having a good control while performing this exercise, and you have to do 3 sets of 12 repetitions each. We will now do flat bench barbell press, for which your grip should be little wider than your shoulders and you need to perform the exercise with full range of motion, which means you will bring the bar closer to your chest and only after that you will push it back with arms fully extended. Make sure you do not lift your hips off the bench while performing the movement, and you need to do 3 sets of 10 repetitions each and try to gradually increase the weight with every set. We will be finishing chest muscle workout with superset of pec deck fly and push-ups. For pec deck fly, adjust your seat in a way that your elbows come at chest level. Keep your elbows slightly bent and make sure your hands touch each other in front so that you can target your muscle properly. Do not fully release the handle and try not to involve your shoulders too much. You need to do 15 repetitions, and as soon as you complete them without taking any break, we'll move to next exercise, push-ups. You need to keep 2 things in mind. First, your body should be in straight line position as you can see on the screen, and second, your chest should come closer to the floor while performing the exercise. And if you cannot perform these, you can also do knee push-ups. You should do 8 to 10 repetitions, and only after that you will complete your 1 set, and you have to do 2 sets in a similar way. We'll now move to shoulders and start with Arnold press, which is one of the best exercise to strengthen and tone up your shoulders. To perform this, hold the dumbbells in front of your face and while rotating the wrist, lift them up. Having control on weight is very important, and therefore choose the weight wisely. And let's target 3 sets of 12 repetitions each. Our next exercise is overhead press, and for this your grip should be slightly wider than your shoulders. As you push the bar up, move your head slightly forward, and as you are bringing the bar down, move your head slightly back. Keep your core tight and make sure to perform the exercise with full range of motion. And our target should be 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions each. We'll now do one arm standing dumbbell press, and for this hold the dumbbell closer to your shoulder and from there lift it up. And as I always mention, you need to breathe out whenever you are lifting the weight against gravity. You need to do 12 repetitions, but we will not move to the other hand. Without taking any break, we will do side lateral raise with the same hand first. And for side lateral, lift the dumbbell out to your side till your elbow comes at shoulder height. For this also, you need to perform 12 repetitions, which means you will do 12 repetitions of dumbbell press and 12 repetitions of side lateral raises with one hand, and after that you will move to the other hand and perform the same movements. And as you complete the exercise with other hand also, you will complete your one set as well, and you need to do 2 sets in similar manner. Let's move to triceps now, and first we are doing is triceps push down. We are using a V bar here, but you can also use a straight bar or a rope to perform this exercise. Neither stand too close nor too far from the machine, and make sure you are fully extending your arms when pushing the bar down. Try doing 3 sets of 15 repetitions each. Our next exercise is cable bend over tricep extension, and we will use a rope to perform this exercise. Take a support from the machine and bend your upper body. Extend your elbows fully in front and try to squeeze your tricep muscle as much as you can. Do not fully release the weight and try to perform 3 sets of 12 repetitions each. Always keep one thing in mind. Before increasing the weight, you need to learn the right technique first. We will finish our push workout with one failure set of diamond push-ups. We will perform this on our knees, and your hands should be joined and placed in a way that they make a diamond shape, as you can see on the screen. Rest of the techniques will be same as push-ups. Try to perform as many repetitions as you can in one go, and with this, we complete a great push workout routine. So this was today's video. I hope you like it और आप इस पूरी सीरीज को फॉलो करिएगा and let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा. Thanks for watching and keep loving. I'll be back with next video very soon. And as I always say, follow your passion, follow your dreams and stay fit.